Hi guys, I'm Sophie from Art Makeup by Sophie. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can create burn on your hand. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, subscribe here down below, and without further ado, let's get into the video. First I'm going to create a base with the light red color of the Maroon Pro Coloring Bruise Palette. Then I apply a bit more of the same color on the edges. To give the illusion that the wound is swollen, I use the yellow color. I apply this in the middle of the red circles. Then I use the brown color and I apply it on the edges. Again with the Q-tip I apply the liquid latex on the edges to create a ripped off skin. Then I pull the edges off. And I do these two steps 3 more times. After that it's time to paint inside the wound. And again I'm using the red color. Then I dab the yellow color in the middle. To create more definition I use the brown color on the edges. Then I set it all in place with the maroon setting powder. I use my fingertip to apply it and I really press it on the painted part. Then I wipe it away with a makeup brush. And at last but not least I apply some coconut oil to create the dirty shine and a wet effect. So this is the final look. I hope you liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe here down below, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!